Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to make a paper tree together. This model is a Kirigami, a variation of origami that allows cutting the paper. To make a tree like this, you'll need a square piece of paper in the size you prefer. If you don't have a square, we can create one from a full sheet of paper or any other rectangle. To do this, place the paper in this position and fold the short side to the long side, creating a diagonal fold. Then rotate the paper, flip it over, and now fold the right side along the fold we just made. Unfold it, cut the paper along the vertical line, and discard the rectangle. Now we have a square. We start by folding the paper in half along both diagonals. We only need to reinforce this fold, which is already made. Unfold it and fold along the opposite diagonal. Unfold this one as well. Flip the paper over and fold it in half, horizontally and vertically. First horizontally, bringing the bottom side to the top. Then vertically, bringing the right side to the left. Flip it over again. Now close the paper by pushing all four corners to the center. Close it with the open side in this direction. And reinforce the creases well. Now, starting with the first flap on the right, bring the diagonal edge to the middle. Repeat this on the other side. Flip the paper over and do the same with the other two flaps. After folding, unfold all the flaps. Take the first flap on the right, open it up, and using the existing creases, flatten the paper into a triangle. Close it again. Now this section is reversed. Repeat the same process with the other flaps, reversing all of them. with all the flaps reversed, open the paper where the triangle is visible, to finish this part, cut off the remaining corners, the extra paper, leaving only the triangle. Now we'll make side cuts along the edges of this triangle. After cutting, the result looks something like this. Now pay close attention to the next step. We need to fold the paper, connecting the beginning of one cut to the end of the cut below it. Just fold the paper the way I'm about to show you. Like this. Repeat this process for all the cuts. After completing this step, separate each side and our paper tree is ready! Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video!